Rankin, you want to come sleep one night, me I tell him no.
Rankin want to come do what?
Sleep. One night, Friday night. Walk come on, you come sleep. Say I come call him, I have to tell him no.
Friday night?
Yeah.
Come sleep with you?
You.
I tell Rankin, I say PSP. Rankin want to come sleep down here with me?
Run there, sir.
How my Rankin want to the with? No, Rankin come and come and kill my body. One girl, one my man did. One my man did. And our money like man body.
I see you, sister.
The Friday, they hired the whole Friday. They grew up in the evening. And the one man so still. You know, make man stay. And the man go there. And he dead. He dead. Because if me and whole day today, whole day, when I did man tonight. And I wanted that one parcel the morning. And I tell the young man did and that day man. I mean, somebody women, I told, can't wait till one man to.
Hey, I know that killing woman is sick.
Eh?
The woman is sick.
You know,
Yes,
right?
The woman is sick.
You want to see?
That can't kill nobody. The woman sick.
You want to see?
Yes.
Now listen up.
Wow.
Listen what I tell man and see. The woman hired who live long there.
Oh.
I don't see Casey. He hired her, start early from early. And he hired the whole live long there. Till in the night he stop. I go look man. He's about dead. And I wanted that one pass in the morning.
All right.
And I said, you man did that day, man. When me I and whole day, till night, how me want man, sir? Jesus Christ. Let me tell you something. You want some man. For them bottom part, man up to go in there. Cheta galang, me. About the man, somebody. Me. Cheta galang, have me a higher, me. When me after me start higher, me don't want nobody. So when should I do? Like I know they were a man. He should have take the man before and go higher.
Alright guys, we have $165 in Miss Cornwall kitty. I'm not going to wait till it run out, then I come and say alright, let's go. Reason being it too pressure. Alright, so we start collecting Miss Cornwall from now. Today how much days?
True we busy. True we busy. True we busy.
You're too busy.
Yeah.
Today I wish they are going to give.
Where you at?
We're busy, man. Up and down. I take care of business.
No, I hear that too.
On Sunday night, one DUPPY man come in there for me now.
Eh?
Yes, one DUPPY man come in there Sunday night. For me, I'm telling him, say, me I go send him go Holland beer. Me know him, as somebody who me know. As somebody who me used to talk with very nice when you used to come at church. I'm married man, but as somebody, me and him move good. But in the long time, Sunday night, he come in there for me, you know. How are you? I will lie down on the bed, me see when he come in. I'm in the bed and he come in there for me, and I say, backside. And the man said to me, say, amen. What I say? I remember when I said, then we are coming, where the few yard are coming for. I said, you know what me I go do? Me I go say you go Holland beer or cold sun. Come in a long time. I swear them me no know it's come church. I was married man, but we used to move nice. So then I think coming up for me. I was there. I would be America Canada water.
So you get rid of him, it's alright. I should say it's alright. Oh, you get rid of him?
Then you have to come out.
Which way you want to come out?
Eh?
Where you want to come out?
So why want to come out? And why want to come in?
Me don't know. Where you want to come in?
Why want to come in? I know where they come in. Come in and come in the party. That was I like come and then come on Sunday night. I Sherry come on Sunday night and I Sherry. Me have to make water, make water to come and come on Sunday night. Come in and for me. Me the party then. I mean I get up night then. And I don't see him here. I'm going to say, I'm going to say, Senegal and me, but in time, I'm going to say, go my 1 o'clock and go water and put it under my bed. And I put it.
So they do that now, they can't come under there.
Eh?
They're free that Kalanga water.
What you want?
They're free that Kalanga water.
And there are one book they call me John Charles. If I could get some, if I broke and put under my bed. But I told me can't find them, man. The man round them, I never know about they think. When he come in, I don't know. When he come out, I don't know. Because, Mama come here, and I tell them, Mama say, I sleep on. Mama say, I sleep on people here. The man, if you want them, I don't know. And if you don't want them, I don't know. Because he not talk to me. I see him yesterday morning, when he go to work. When I see, I see when he come in. I come in. Not talk to me and not come. Well, me had that son said, if you go rent out and come up, why do you want to go rent out? But, so me I go talk to Kenny. I say, Kenny, he round there, and you're talking to me. It don't make sense around here. Suppose anything happen to me around here. Me can't call, nobody around here for me call. Because the other day I talked to George and the man George have one sitting and George sent them to go into a home. Come back. When I go talk to your grandfather, I go say him around there. It don't make sense to him around there. Suppose anything happen to me, nobody left me call to.
Alright guys, so all the information is right there. My original people will respond to Miss Cornwall. And I already know the thing already, I'm gonna just roll in, alright? So we're collecting for Miss Cornwall monthly and to pay Merle. Eh? Yeah, put Simone on it. Simone 30. Alright, so I have 165 left in my kitty. Can't wait till it run up before I come. Too pressuring guys, it's too pressuring. Alright? So everybody just roll in now. Who want the information, just click the little pin down there and you see the information.
Tomorrow morning, I'm
sure you
today. So when you come on morning, I go talk to him. And tell him I live the life so before I go say
alright, all who want the information to donate something towards Miss Cornwall, this is the information, alright? That's the T-Nation Charities, the phone number. Alright, just contact me on this number. Whenever just send the money, so alright? We are writing down in a book and should pray for now. Alright? Because you know them things, we're not doing anything here for cloud, fame, none of them fools in this day. We do a thing for secure place in heaven. Alright? We're not stop the good. So all who decide that they want to do something good today, please go ahead. See the information is. Merle, the phone. Alright guys, so let's take the information. Take off the information. PayPal, Cash App.
Hello?
And that's the number to contact me. Alright, the bottom number is the number to contact me. 226-0635. Yeah, this is Facebook.
And when I wake up, and mommy say want somebody text it. I'm going to hospital.
Yeah. Miss Anderson, the cash app is right there. All of the information is right there. Just press the little thing like the paper clip and press see more. And you see all the information, alright? You also see the number to contact me too. Yeah, the cash app is right there. $sign Dan Spence 876. But Miss Cornwall said, don't come in, Panny. I will just roll in. Yeah, two things. One, Miss Cornwall said, don't come in, Panny, Sunday night. And two, we are collect fair weekly grocery. And for pay Merle, alright? Dear for true. Morning.
What kind of
Thank you very much. 30 from Jamaican that again.
What kind of good and nice as nine pan. I
Yeah,
make
man,
work
everything
out
alright.
because
Yeah, man. Alright.
we work out come here.
We can know my people
I
in their
Sunday
work, you know,
daytime.
their work vice. Where that show
Work
begin?
and I go till Tuesday evening. What kind of with me, man? I work I full. I make work out it. Work
Okay.
kind of I'm a school. It's a
Yeah.
thing. I must
She
go
said,
now.
I packet
Now
peace.
whisper, lose the house, man. And go and come.
Guys, all who just rolling in, we are collecting for Miss Cornwall. The passbook, nobody rolling it. Yes, we are collecting for Miss Cornwall. So we have Simone with $30, Sugar Spice with 20, Jamaican Daughter with 30. Alright, I'm put the contact number, card. Put back my phone number right here, so I'm hold it up again, the people can see it. A dream made a dream, man.
Huh?
A dream made a dream.
And
Me feel a dream made a dream.
huh?
Me feel like a dream. Said Duppy come in for you. A dream made a
I
dream.
dream and I dream. Men I dream and I sleep. Oh, dream. The men I say, come in. Shut up, oh, dream and I sleep and dream. I dream and I dream and I dream. I dream and I come in. The men I somebody. I come in. And wife for pa. I don't even pass sure all this. And wife just so well I know me here. And I wife to go to. When I come back. Then keep him when my wife, when my wife there. Me keep him. And I want me to keep him, but me keep him.
Okay.
So when I come back.
Maybe you never get through.
That's why I go get one back. I can't go water, I don't have to get one back. Oh, I go take Papa by one back.
I don't have to believe. You guys don't believe that?
I'll get somebody picture and chant and Muslim. I'll put it on my bed.
Miss Anderson, click the little paper clip. You see the contact number to contact me or all the information, alright? But don't just send it like that. Once you send it, you contact me, okay? Maxine, click the little paper clip and you see the phone number to contact me. And you see all the information also. Just click the little thing, paper clip right at T Nation. Click on see more and you see all the information.
Get the outside, so I should down the line in there.
Wow. What you say I gotta do?
Mister, because I move a move, I get one green line. I say, I can't go one place anywhere they so. On this side. I
Yeah.
drop the line in there, come, I think I come here.
Wow.
I know chicken.
Alright guys, so you hear that how we keep out Duppy. Dig one hole in your doorway.
So I forgot get
Drop on
one
green lime and cover
back. I
it.
forgot get one back there, Kalanga water.
Kalanga water under your bed.
Down there, maybe.
Set the Kalanga water under your bed. Duppy remedy. Set on the Kalanga water on the bed. Yeah. Where bush name?
Eh?
Where bush name?
What?
The bush where you say you can put under there too.
I'm going bush.
Where it name?
That's spirit not coming.
Where the bush name?
What you do to me?
No, the bush, what name?
And then John Charles.
John Charles, here. Put John Charles on the bed.
John Charles. A good bushman. It is
Right.
my one pitney where spirit trouble.
Yeah.
And you can't get it. I'll beat him in like not do him again.
John Charles. John Charles. Alright.